Jesus!
It's crazy.
Baba, I pay no face. No face, don't please. Don't please, Seun Kuti the fucking shot, man. Stop playing. We outside, don't please.
Lagos.
Jesus Christ, Daddy, I don't know see now. I know see to get money.
Football pitch.
Baba, your house big.
Go see the football pitch first.
Football pitch.
Guy.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Seun Kuti continues showing off his mansion amid his issues with Verydarkman. Okay guys, yesterday Seun Kuti during a live stream with Katefe saw this mansion and Katefe was like, Katefe literally went down prostrate, like he gave Katefe a tour of this mansion. I don't know, this mansion, I don't go lie, but the mansion nice, but no be wetin go dey mock Verydarkman with now. I don't understand. The mansion has been trending for days now, and yesterday Katefe visited the mansion for the live stream and he took him around the mansion, and the mansion even had a mini football pitch on top of the mansion, which is crazy guys. He also took Katefe to Fela's shrine where there are a lot of history about the shrine, and also his father was revealed to them and the rest of them. Watch the video and see how the whole thing went down.
Jesus!
It's crazy.
Baba, I pay no face. No face, don't please. Don't please, Seun Kuti the fucking shot, man. Stop playing. We outside, don't please.
Lagos.
Jesus Christ, Daddy, I don't know see now. I know see to get money.
Football pitch.
Baba, your house big.
Go see the football pitch first.
Football pitch.
Guy.
Jesus Christ.
You think say touring easy?
Jesus
Person dey
Christ.
talk for 3 months. You think say easy?
Jesus. Shout out to the see house. Half a face of ha, Jesus Christ, see house, see lifestyle. After me the owner of the house, carry us go there, don't carry us go there.
I won't carry and go palace, so I think carry my family go airport.
Shut up, don't
But
carry.
you're welcome to my house.
God.
I think for me, not, me, I'm the last born, so I don't have stress. It's my elders, Rafemi, Sister Yemi. They have all this work to do with family, keeping everything going. In terms of us just have to live a life that makes our father proud. Not stress.
Jesus. Jay,
This is my favorite part.
this is your favorite part.
Troy.
Mado.
Hey.
We train here.
Hey.
Now lie yo.
See our star flag for there.
Now lie yo.
See the old
Fuck.
Nigeria. See the old mainland.
Jesus.
Ghana.
For inside house. Daddy, see, I want to like Jesus. Question full my head. Jesus. This is Fela's shrine.
Let them know.
Let him fail.
Let them know.
Hey, call you the also. Yeah. Bro, I swear, man, this is my first time coming here, but I love this stage. I love everything about, like, what is it called? Fela Shrine. I will perform here one day. I'll do a show one day here.
So the shrine was built by Seun Kuti and Sister Yemi Kuti in the year 2000.
Okay.
October 2000. So the artifact from the old shrine, which was in Purple Street, they brought it down here.
Jesus.
So as you can see, all the artifacts here, they are like 40, 50 years old. You can see here.
Mado. So why are people saying Fela Shrine?
Because
Did it serve gods?
No. Because some people believe that Fela was a prophet, like he was sent from God himself. So you can imagine it was close to fanaticism when Fela was alive. So you can imagine when he died, the crowd that was the output. He was, he had a state Fela at TBS now. They laid Fela estate at TBS, La Fala Belera Square. Those are for presidents, for governors. You do that for